Yeah, once we get on the boat, we'll obviously show you the lay of the land. We've never done a return journey from Tassie, and we've never done one in a cabin either. So we'll show you around there. Hi. We're sitting waiting for the Spirit of Tasmania to arrive, and we thought we'd stop this video right now. No, we thought we would start. And no.
Welcome to our channel. We're Paul and Tan, and we're escaping crowds travelling around Australia in our Toyota Troop carrier. In this episode, we spend a very long day in Devonport before we take the night sail back to Geelong, with loads of laughs and a major drama averted. Please hit that like, subscribe and share button. Enjoy the video.
Good morning. I'm saying good morning to the folks. Last night we set out till quite late. It was almost 11 o'clock, down on the beach in the dark, waiting for the little penguins to come in, and one.
There was more than one.
Well, there was more than one, but only one came close.
One came right up close.
Yeah, came up close. And we watched him, and he basically went up to the sort of the burrows, turned around, went back down the beach just a little bit, came back up towards us, and then proceeded to hop up the stairs, the boardwalk stairs, up to the platform, and just sit there on the side of the platform as we came up and walked by. So I got a photo of him, which I'll pop in the video, just a picture. It was too dark to photograph, and you're not allowed to have white light flashes or torches, so it was impossible to actually get any footage of it. But yeah.
What about the one under the car?
Oh yeah, that's right. We were coming back from penguin spotting and walking through the campsite, and there's this little penguin sitting underneath someone's car, just sitting there checking out the surroundings. It was very cute. They're really quite tiny, but they're very cute. So I have got a photo of that also. Not a great one, but I'll put that one in too. So yeah, that was last night's activities. This morning we got a late checkout at the site here. This is where we're actually camping. It's probably one of the nicest views we've had at a beach camp for a long time. Don't you reckon? It's a nice morning to wake up to here, this one. So yeah, anyway, we've got a late checkout. The caravan park have allowed us to stay till 12, which is good. So we're just having a chilled morning. Yeah, I'll show you where our car is, just in relation to this. Check this out. There we are. Primo camp spot right next to the beach. So today we've got a long one. So we sail at 11:30 tonight. I don't know how we're going to stay awake for that long. And we are 20 minutes from the ferry terminal right now. So we've got to find something to do for the day. We'll go into Devonport, do a couple of laps around the town.
That should kill 30 minutes. Go
out for dinner, have a pub feed maybe before we get onto the boat, do you think?
Yeah.
Pub feed.
And go to bed.
To the boat. So yeah, once we get on the boat, we'll obviously show you the lay of the land. We've never done a return journey from Tassie, and we've never done one in a cabin either. So we'll show you around there. But yeah, I'm sure we'll manage to fill the day in. But yeah, I could sit here all day actually. It's pretty nice. Hi. We're sitting waiting for the Spirit of Tasmania to arrive.
Only 7 hours.
It's nowhere in sight. We're sitting at Mersey Bluff in the car park because we can't find anything to do here.
Well, we've been here before.
Yeah, we have, and we've wandered around the
times.
town, and it's Saturday and the shops are shut because it's after lunch, and we've just got nothing to do. So we're sitting up here just wasting time and just laughing at everything. Laughing at everything that's going past and just looking for something. Give us some sign of something. There's nothing going on. It's just mental. I think we've got cabin fever.
Yeah, we've hit the wall.
We've actually hit the wall. The only saving grace is going to be finding a pub sometime shortly, because we need to find something to do until, what time is it now? It's 4:30 and we can't board until about 9:30, 10 o'clock. So yeah, we need to find something to do. Help. Please send help. Send help. Help.
Yeah.
Send help. Anyway, we'll check in with you later when we've retrieved our marbles. We've left the car just to stretch the legs because we've been sitting there for a good hour, and we thought we'd stop this video right now. No, we thought we would start and no. Okay, we thought we would finish where we started in Tassie, at the Mersey Bluff Lighthouse, which is the candy striped one. So I'll take you around to the other side. I think when we filmed this the first time it was dusk, so you'll get to see it with the sun shining right on it. I love this one. We've seen a couple like this, but they've had the hoops rather than the stripes. So it's brilliant. This is a lovely stretch of the coast here too. We haven't seen the Spirit of Tasmania arrive yet either, because it has to arrive to take us away. So
It's halfway, though. It's halfway. It's
only
5 o'clock.
It's only halfway, yeah, but
Won't
yeah.
get until like 10.
Okay. Well, I'm just anxious. Just want to make sure we don't miss it. So I think we're probably just going to maybe have a bit of a walk down around the other side, and then we'll head off and find a pub or something. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Keen, yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's do that. What's that? Yeah, I know. But love it. Don't fall off the edge. It's a bit late for that now.
Right, and there we go. All done.
Very much.
Thanks.
Oh.
Tickets. So as we may have mentioned before, the ferry is actually late coming in, so we're going to be probably later departing than we thought. So yeah, it's been a very long day. It's currently almost 9 o'clock and I don't think the ferry is in yet, so there's lots of motorbikes on this one.
Going into the guts of the ship. Sorry about the dirty window. My chauffeur's not doing a very good job.
He's had all day to clean it. He's so lazy. He's had all day to clean
It's been
the
a big
window.
day, I've been busy.
Yeah, we've been busy sitting in the car, catching up on socials. So currently, eating lollies, yeah. Currently the time is 11:04 p.m. Just to put some context. We're supposed to be sailing in 25 minutes. I don't think so. All right. What's a Troopy in front? Da, 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 da. It's a white one. Yep. So he's taller than us, so we're good. See your port of Devonport. This is what the bowels of a ship looks like. Blah. Gosh, he's a big brute. Wow, we are literally right at the bottom of the ship here, like packed in like flipping sardines in a can. All right, let's go. Wish us luck. Da, 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 da. Okay. I have a ticket. I got a ticket to tell us where we are. Oh my god, this is confusing. Let's hope we can find our way out this time. We've only got to walk up 4 flights of stairs. Welcome to our digs. This is our cabin. Our cute little cabin, and this is the toilet. Look, toilet, bathroom, shower. That'll do. Cute.
What's that all about?
I don't know. I'm not really sure what that is. But anyway, it doesn't really matter because we're only here for a few hours. So if I can just get out, that'd be great. Oh God. Okay. So we do have we have a room with a view, except there's no view because it's dark. So there you go. Well, guess we'll see you in the morning. Ciao. Good morning. What a great night's sleep. That was awesome. Water is as calm as it's like glass this morning. So pretty much slept for almost 7 hours, which is great. Just what we needed. It's a long day yesterday. That over there that you can see is Victoria. We have not quite hit the channel into Geelong yet, so it takes about 3 hours to get from the big open water into the Geelong, the harbour towards Geelong, so keep you posted. Oh, there's a lifeboat above us, look. Well, here we are. A bit sad.
Yeah.
Feeling a bit sad. We just actually sat there this morning and said how sad we are really to be leaving Tassie. But on the upside, we've got lots more to see.
Awaits.
I know. So the plan for today is this. Because we're on level 2, deck 2, with the car, we're going to be one of the last ones to disembark. Sorry, sidetrack, there's Melbourne over there. Yeah, so we're just going to hang, and then when we finally get off the ship, we're going to head towards our destination for tonight, which is Braybrook. We're staying at a discovery park tonight for a couple of nights, just to get the lay of the land and just sort ourselves out. Yeah, but we should be pretty organised. We did a quick tidy up before we left. Yeah, we're going to maybe stop at a couple of places. So from Geelong to Braybrook, according to Google Maps, it says about just less than an hour. So we'll see what's along the way. I'm sure there'll be lots of freeways. But anyway, so yeah, but the sail was perfect really. As you can see, there's hardly any motion in the water. That's not cool. Simba! We love you, Simba! Woohoo! Jeez, we're packed in, hey? We're back, we're in Simba, everything looks good. We're in like canned sardines, and I think we're reversing out, so it feels so nice to be back in our little home. I'm excited for this next leg of the trip. Oh, someone's chatting Paul up about something on the back of the car. It's hilarious. We could be here a little while, but yeah, so good to be back in Simba. Yeah, great trip. Loved that sail. Relaxed, slept well. Just overall a really good return journey. Water's calm, weather is good. Can't wait to get on the road. Stay tuned. Something just fell out the window.
What the f fell out the window?
I don't know, something just fell out. Sorry about that, guys. I just threw the GoPro down in the console because as we were going up that ramp out of the boat, the flying obstacles from the parcel shop above our head started flying out, including my Kindle, which hit me on the head, bounced off the window, the armrest, and out the door. So we had to stop the car before the car behind ran over my Kindle. So I'm running down the ramp going, stop, stop! And the guy thinks I'm an absolute loser, I'm sure. Anyway, got back in, realised I'd chucked the GoPro down, so I'm not sure what footage there is there. And said a few not very nice things and checked the gash in my head. and looked at my Kindle, and guess what? There's nothing wrong with it. So if you've got a Kindle, guys, make sure you've got one with a foldable cover over the front, because that's just saved my Kindle. I don't think it would have saved it if the guy behind drove over it though. I think that would have been at the end of it. Anyway, on a happy note, we're in Geelong, passing through the industrial area, and we are on our way to Melbourne. Not sure what's in store today. Feeling like the adventures have already started. Yeah, so we were down in the bottom of the boat. We were at the, well, probably the lowest part you can actually park, right tucked into the corner.
Level 2.
Level 2. I don't know if there's level 1 parking though, is there? I feel like level 1 might be the entrance.
I don't think so.
Yeah, anyway, we were tucked right into a corner. We were in like a can of sardines, and we got out pretty easily.
Yeah.
Apart from the ramp and the Kindle incident, it was all I enjoyed that sail. I probably keep saying that, but I thought that was really, really good. I feel like I've slept. Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good the time setting, it goes a lot quicker when you're not having to
Yeah.
hitch around for 10 hours.
Yeah, and I think because it was a calm night as well, the boat wasn't moving around, and it wasn't noisy at all. So, yeah, okay. So, onwards and upwards, here we go.
Thanks again for watching, and your support through hitting that like and subscribe button is very much appreciated. Stay tuned for more epic content as we continue our Troopy adventures on the mainland. If you're keen to watch some of our other trip episodes, here are some links. Thanks again, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Cheers!